हेलो देयर। अभी हम हैं इंग्लैंड के किसी रैंडम गांव में। तो इनिशियली मेरा प्लान ये था कि मैं मोरक्को जाऊंगा, बट द टिकट्स टू मोरक्को वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। मेरे दोस्तों ने कहा भाई इंडिया जैसा ही है, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट टू गो ऑल द वे टू मोरक्को। देयर इज दिस नेशनल पार्क इन इंग्लैंड कॉल्ड लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इट्स सपोजिटली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। तो देयर इज दिस टाउन कॉल्ड विंडमेर, वहाँ जा रहे हैं हम। Hello, good morning. What is up, you guys? I am at my friend's place in London. I've just been chilling and enjoying the city for the past couple of days, but I've been at their house for quite some time now, and I think it's time to leave now for my solo trip. तो चलते हैं, आज देखते हैं कहाँ जा रहे हैं। और इसका व्यू देखो भाई, Yeah, my boy lives with a crazy view. तो अभी बैग पैक करते हैं और निकलते हैं। Let's see on the journey. The train is at 11:30. 10:55 हो रहा है अभी तक गेट आया नहीं है कि कहाँ से चढ़ना है। तो I thought I'll go to the washroom in the meantime. I think we should grab something to eat. तब तक शायद गेट गया रहेगा, and then we'll go ahead and see what the journey looks like. मैं अभी ऑक्सन होम करके कोई गांव है वहाँ पे हूँ। यहाँ से मुझे दूसरी ट्रेन लेनी है, 2:20 हो रहे हैं, 2:40 की दूसरी ट्रेन है। वो ट्रेन मुझे विंडमेर लेके जाएगी। तो विंडमेर इज़ बेसिकली दिस टाउन इन द मिडल ऑफ लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लेक्स हैं, ट्रेल्स हैं, लॉट टू एक्सप्लोर, लॉट टू सी। और विंडमेर में मुझे नहीं मिला, लेकिन उससे आगे जाके ऑन द सेम लेक का कोस्ट देयर इज दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड एम्बरसाइड, और वहाँ पे मुझे एक यूथ हॉस्टल मिला है। तो विंडमेर से आई थिंक आई विल हैव टू टेक अ बस टू गो देयर। कोई प्लान नहीं है, जाके एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, देखेंगे। 3 दिन की बुकिंग है अभी मेरी। वहाँ से फिर हम शायद आगे स्कॉटलैंड भी चले जाएँ। तो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस गोज। आई विल जस्ट वेट फॉर माई ट्रेन। Let's find ourselves a seat. So यहाँ से विंडमेर is about I think 2 or 3 stops, so we're gonna reach there fairly quickly. We have to figure out what the game plan is वहाँ जाके, because I haven't made any plans. Let's see. And then let's just enjoy the beautiful view outside this window. Okay, so here's an update. I got off at the station. As soon as I got off, I found the bus. So there's like 555 and 599, these 2 buses that go along the route alongside the lake and to a lot of other scenic places within Lake District. And I think the government wants you to take those buses, and they're promoting those buses. So as soon as I got off, I got onto one of those buses, and I'm on my way. And I've heard that the route is pretty scenic because you go right beside a lake. And let's see, let's enjoy our route, and we'll catch up when we land onto Ambleside. So we have reached this little town called Ambleside. Now here's the game plan. I had made no plans before coming here, but now we have to figure out what we're going to do. We're here till Thursday morning. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go see if the check-in is open to my hostel. They said you can check in after 4 o'clock. It's 3:30. Let's see if we can get an early check-in. The next thing is to explore the town, probably have lunch. We haven't had lunch, so we'll figure out the lunch scene. There's a lake right there. We saw it in the middle. There's a lot of spaces in and around the lake. So we'll probably go and get a glimpse at the lake and probably ask a few locals what else is there that we can do here. So let's crack on with it and see what all we can do. Oh, so we found the lake. It's right here, right next to the town. Let's check that out. Then there's going to be a lot of spots in and around the lake and a lot to do. I see a few people kayaking over there. I don't know if you can see or not. How are you? देसी लोग कैमरा देखते हैं उनको मज़ा आ जाता है भाई. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go find the hostel, check in, dump my rucksack because it's quite heavy, and we'll take it from there. मैं बहुत सारे गर्म कपड़े लेके आया था because temperature was showing 11-12 degrees in the evening. Right now it's quite hot. Not very like England. London weather keeps changing, but it is what it is. I'm glad it's hot, so I can see if there's a few spots where I can just jump in and go for a swim. I'm gonna go for a swim, but right now let's head to the hostel and I'll see you there. And let me just drop this bag so that we can start exploring. Would you look at that? That is our hostel, and that is the view from the hostel. That's insane. That's crazy. There's just so many spots to chill right here. I feel like I'm going to Scotland. I think I'm just gonna stay here and explore for a couple of more days. But we have 2 days and we can make that decision after the 2 days. So let's go and check it first. So we have reached our hostel. That's our hostel room. Nobody's in there, so I can give it a tour. Some people are here. Quite messy. That's an empty bed, that's an empty bed, that's an empty bed. I decided to take this one. There's a wash basin in the room, which is pretty weird. And then the view from this place is insane. Let me show it to you. So, that is the view from the room. Pretty crazy. Okay, so 2 British guys in my room. I met them and then I came to the lake. So basically आज हमने बहुत travel कर लिया है. It's already 5 o'clock. The sun sets at 8:30. So we have like a limited period. So आज तो trek वगैरह पे जाना मुश्किल होगा. So I decided to just come to the lake, sit here, chill, have a couple of drinks and just enjoy. The British guys in my room told me there's a good nightlife scene here, so probably we'll go and see what the pub and bar scene in this place in the evening looks like. And okay, let's just enjoy the views and have fun. The sun is setting and it's kind of getting chilly. So I'm thinking I'll go up and change. My pants are still wet from the lake. And then we'll go have some dinner because we haven't eaten anything since morning. So that's the plan now. I'm gonna go change back to the hostel. हेलो भाई, यहाँ पे लाइट है तो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. नहीं तो लाइट ही नहीं है, देखो अंधेरा हो रखा है पूरी सड़क पे। तो बेसिकली मैं चला अपने हॉस्टल से, आई वॉकड टू द मेन सिटी सेंटर। सिटी तो क्या ही है, एक गांव का जो भी मार्केट वगैरह जहाँ पे होती है। तो वहाँ पे देयर वाज सम गर्ल सिंगिंग विद द गिटार। तो मैं जाके चला गया वहाँ पे। मैंने कहा यार थोड़ा वाइब देखे, मेरे हॉस्टल में तो डेड सीन लग रहा था, तो क्या ही सीन। तो मैंने कहा चलो वाइब देखते हैं टाउन की। तो मैं आया, कैरियोके ओपन माइक था, एंड आई एंडेड अप सिंगिंग 3 songs and I made a couple of friends. I asked them about the recommendations and all, so they told me कल कहाँ जा सकते हैं। So I have a bunch of recommendations. They invited me tomorrow also. जाएंगे कल, चिल करेंगे, मज़े करेंगे, दोस्त बन गए हैं। That is the purpose and point of solo traveling, that you meet strangers and make them your friends. In this case, music became a big mediator in me making friends. तो अभी हॉस्टल जाके देखते हैं क्या सीन है। अगर कुछ सीन नहीं है तो डिनर करते हैं। एक्चुअली मैं डिनर करने के लिए ही निकला था, बट वो डिनर तो घंटा मिला नहीं। देयर किचन हैड क्लोज्ड, सो देयर वाज ओनली अल्कोहल। So I ended up drinking quite a few pints, and they kept inviting me on stage to sing, which was a good thing. In hindsight, I should have recorded it, but I didn't, because even I was busy enjoying the moment. तो अभी एक बर्गर उठा लिया है, जाके देखते हैं हॉस्टल में कुछ वाइब होगी तो बढ़िया, नहीं तो जाके सो जाएंगे। कल का प्लान पूछ लिया हमने, बढ़िया रिकमेंडेशंस दे दिए मेरे को। मैक करके बंदी थी, उसने अच्छी अच्छी जगह बता दी हैं। तो विल गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दोज प्लेसेस देन। तब तक के लिए तुम भी आराम करो, गुड नाइट, एंड आई विल सी यू एंड आई विल शो यू व्हाट हैपेंस टुमारो। ओके बाय।